video. As you know, you saw the last videos of the videos I made of this. I guess they sent me, when they sent me one out, they sent me I think it was a defect and just from the factory. So they sent me a label to send it back. I sent it back. This is the new one. The same thing again. There's that. And there it is. Look at that thing. Pretty sure this one's different. Pretty sure I won't have the same problem. And yeah, take it to the job site tomorrow and use it for the whole day and see how it holds up. How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the video. Here's the new compressor that Metabo sent to me. As some of you know, that I had problems with the other compressor that they sent me. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go back and watch that video. But they sent me a new one. I sent the other one back. They sent me a new one. So here it is. I haven't tested it yet. So let's see if it has the same problem. Let's turn it on. See, the problem is fixed. This is a new one, so it fixed the problem. I got a 1/4-inch hose hooked up to it. It's not made for this, but I did a job of siding, and now I'm gonna paint it. So I missed some nails, so I'm gonna go around the house and just nail the places off. Let's get it moved and let's get started. As you can see, I used it to the sighting gun for the sighting gun because I had did all this sighting here, and I missed a lot of nails at some places, so I'm going back and just touching places up. I had to take those out to repair cut the faucets out because there was older ones, and now I got to put tie back and then put the siding on those. But I had other places up here around the house that I forgot some nails, so I went and did those, as you can see. And I would say this thing isn't for that. It ain't for that. It's not made for that. But I just wanted to test it out, and it would shoot like 3 nails in the beginning when it's full of air. It'll shoot them all the way in, and the compressor wouldn't come on yet. And whenever I would do like another 3, the compressor still wasn't coming on yet, but the nails were going in halfway. But I mean, you saw what I used it for. It was a fully charged. Now I got 3, so it's good on that. It's very light, dude. Like it literally, it's little. Like this thing is like less than 16 inches wide. 27 pounds, 2 gallon. It's oil free, 2 gauges. It's a push to lock, so you open it, lower your air, lock it. Got your release of the release valve. It's a brushless, cordless one, of course. Should have a model number here somewhere. Anyways, you know where it's at. You know what it is. But yeah, would I recommend buying this thing? Yes, I have had the DeWalt and I've had the Milwaukee one. I like this one better because it's shorter. Like the DeWalt is probably like right here, and then the Milwaukee probably comes out to like right here, and that one it's just awkward. That one's more awkward. So I like this one. It feels like the DeWalt one. It has a roll cage on it. This does stick out a little bit, but it's alright. And I would prefer this one. It's very quiet. The first one I had, you know, as y'all know, that I had problems with that one, the one they sent me. So I sent that one back the next day, and then this is the new one. But yeah, this is perfect, like to air up tires, trim guns, use the the air sprayer type thing. Perfect for that. Little quick touch-ups, like the way I just did it here. That's what I'm gonna use for this. It's good. I ain't gotta turn a generator on or run an extension cord. That's how I did the whole house, running an extension cord, moving the generator over and over, and just got annoying. But good thing they contacted me through my email, Instagram. If I wanted to try this out, I was like, yeah, of course. And yeah, it's good. 36 volts, 36 volt battery. You can use it on the 18 volt ones. You cannot use the 18 volt batteries on this. You can only use the 36 volt. But yeah, I would say the battery lasts. It depends what you're doing. I'm pretty sure if you're doing trimming a whole house or something like that, you're gonna go through 2 batteries in the day, which is not too bad. Let me see. To me, this is pretty tight. So for any reason they try to make a bigger battery, like a 6 amp, 8 amp, 10 amp, 12 amp, it ain't gonna fit. Cause look how tight that one is. And this is the 4 amp. So, I mean, I guess that's one thing to change in the future. This is only their first one, so. But would I recommend it? Yes, I would. And I'm not just saying that because they sent it to me, but it's a lot of, Metabo makes a lot of good tools. Look, let me see if I can pick it up with one hand. Yep. Look at that. All right, let me just do this. Look at that. I was driving on the way to the job today, and I saw something fly out of my truck in the morning. Didn't even stop. I should have. Look at that. The cap over that just flew off, man. Now I gotta get another one. But this is, I would say, about 13 inches wide. And this, I would say, about 15 inches long. You know what I mean? You get the idea. But yeah, thank you for watching this video, and I'll be putting these in all my videos. Go to my Instagram if you don't follow me yet. It's Martinez Construction. You'll see my logo on there. I'm trying to get my followers up on that one. Of course, subscribe to my YouTube video. And yeah, I appreciate you for watching.